Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and handy folks. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to source for all things tools and craftsmanship. We're leveling up your toolkit with 14 brilliant tools that are sure to make your projects smoother, faster, and more efficient. Let's dive in. But before we dive into this showcase of tool innovation, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which tool are you most excited to add to your arsenal? Let's upgrade our toolboxes together. Alroc. Alroc, a company with over a quarter-century of experience in crafting tools for stripping and preparing low, medium, and high-voltage cables, offers a range of specialized tools for these tasks. For example, the CWB1244 aids in removing the semiconducting screen, with a working diameter ranging from 12 to 44 mm and adjustable layer thickness increments of 0.1 mm. Similarly, the CWB1860 serves a similar purpose, and the J1R1 is a compact tool capable of removing insulation and sheathing from wires with diameters ranging from 6 to 21 mm. Ballantyne Gear Evook. The Ballantyne Gear Evook is a versatile and convenient system designed for professionals such as cleaners, solar panel and satellite dish installers, roofers, and various other professionals. It can be installed in just 15 minutes without the need for nails or screws and can support up to 8 people, each weighing up to 141 kilograms. Successfully tested by an ISO 17025 accredited independent laboratory, it provides 100% full protection, according to its creators. The system's convenience enhances productivity by about 30%, offering numerous attachment points and making it a valuable option for tackling complex roofs with multiple slopes. BullseyeBore Core. The BullseyeBore Core is a handy tool that turns any renovation into a precision drilling operation. With its circle guides and laser light, even beginners can drill perfect holes straight into walls or workpieces. It adjusts for surface curvature and offers a choice between red or green circles for added visibility. Priced at $130, it's a great gift idea for friends who frequently drill. Walcom Evo 360 Mask. Next, let's talk about the Walcom Evo 360 Mask. This innovative mask not only filters up to 99.8% of incoming air but also cools it by directing airflow to the forehead. It comes with 27 filters and a steel anti-spark mesh, offering protection against various hazards like vapors, gases, smoke, aerosols, and dust. With ATCH certification, it's safe for use in explosive environments. Priced at $3,500, it's a reliable and advanced protective solution. CtrlAX. CtrlAX is a popular knife among DIY enthusiasts, known for its high vibrational frequency of up to 40,000 times per second, which makes cutting through materials like MDF, acrylic, leather, and carbon fiber faster and easier. The knife comes with 5 different blade types in the standard kit and an additional 40 classic blades, catering to various cutting needs. With over $300,000 raised on Kickstarter, it has gained global recognition and is available for $49 for the basic kit. Elephant's Trunk 3. Another useful tool is the Elephant's Trunk 3 from GTM Professional. This tool allows you to carry garden tools weighing up to 8 kilograms and works for almost any tool except chainsaws. Worn like a backpack, the device features a steel cable to attach tools, lifting them above shoulder height when needed. Professional gardeners appreciate the convenience of the elephant's trunk, with over 10,000 units sold. The elephant's trunk 3 is priced at $45.50. Altrex Shuttle Lift System. The Altrex Shuttle Lift System is a convenient solution for handling solar panels during installation. With the prediction of annually installing solar panels with a total capacity of 1 TAT, this system becomes essential. It can hoist 2 pieces simultaneously in just 10 seconds, requiring only a drill for operation. The shuttle can handle a maximum load of 60 kilograms and offers a working height of 11.2 m, priced at $6,300. It's a valuable investment for solar panel installers. Makita XSA01. On another note, the Makita XSA01 XS1 is a versatile tool boasting 4 speeds and 5 nozzles, suitable for various applications. Its compact design, measuring just 18 centimeters, allows it to be used in tight spaces. It's essential for combating dust, cobwebs, and debris, reaching air velocity of up to 719 kilometers per hour. Operating for up to 55 minutes on the 18V LXT6A battery, it's available without the battery for $194. MAKAGIC. The MAKAGIC VS01 is a groundbreaking innovation in the world of clamping solutions. It's not just a regular vise but a smart and versatile tool designed for DIY enthusiasts, creators, and thinkers. Users can easily adjust the clamping force, and the vise automatically stops when it reaches the desired level, with data displayed on the OLED screen. Additional modules like a fan and diode lighting are available to enhance its functionality. Powered by a built-in 4,400 mAh battery, the MAKAGIC VS01 is priced at $149. BILT Hard Peat Moss Spreader. The BILT Hard Peat Moss Spreader is touted as a revolution in lawn care, available for just $70. It simplifies the handling of peat moss, compost, soil, and mulch, with a width of 61 centimeters and a 76L capacity suitable for comfortable work in large areas. The spreader is accurate and convenient, and buyers can benefit from the lawn care tips shared by the seller on the product page. Kreg 720 Pro. On the other hand, the Kreg 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is a classic tool without smart features but highly efficient. This professional solution can handle workpieces from 13 to 38 mm thick, and with the Automax clamp, you can secure the workpiece in one motion with no slipping. It also features a GripMax coating and compatibility with a vacuum cleaner attachment. When used with the Kreg docking station, it adds even more convenience to the job. The Kreg 720 Pro Pocket Hole Jig is priced at $150. Ameristep. Ameristep offers a convenient solution for hunters with their self-tapping step, designed to easily screw into a tree trunk without the need for tools. Claimed to support up to 340 kilograms, this step can be installed by hand, providing a straightforward and convenient solution for hunters. The Ameristep self-tapping step comes at a reasonable price of just $4. Additionally, Ameristep provides ground blinds, umbrellas, and more for hunters. Cyklop CMT250 and TRANSPAK H45L Helios. The Cyklop CMT250 is a strapping tool essential for securing objects with straps. It uses vibration for welding the straps and is battery operated, eliminating the need for cables. With a full charge, it can handle 400 strapping cycles, making it a great choice for one-handed operation. It features automatic tension adjustments and weighs less than 4 kilograms, including the battery. The cost for this machine is $2,350. Another similar option is the TRANSPAK H45L Helios, priced at $1,842, but it offers 300 cycles instead of 400, for just $4. STIHL 3-in-1 Sharpening Tool. The STIHL 3-in-1 Sharpening Tool is a versatile solution priced at $25. It features 3 different blades, making it perfect for sharpening various tools such as scissors, pruning shears, axes, knives, and more. The tungsten carbide and diamond sharpened blades add durability, while the brightly colored polymer handle ensures easy visibility in your toolbox or bag. And there you have it, 14 brilliant tools that are set to revolutionize your DIY game. Which tool will you be adding to your toolbox? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this tool showcase helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tool-related content. Stay tuned for our next exploration into the world of craftsmanship here at The Visuals Tech. Until then, keep building, creating, and innovating.